Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. Real short video. Going to actually show you how to install an adapter for the dust collection system. And what I actually use is called a Fernco. You can get it in any plumbing department, in any hardware store. And the way you can figure it out is the diameter of your actual hose from your shop vac or your exhaust system, and the actual outer dimensions on the back of your saw. And this particular one, we're installing it on the Ryobi PBLTS01 8¼ inch 18 volt table saw. We've installed an adapter, a Fernco, to actually adapt to our hose. You can get different ones at different stores. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.